David's average driving speed for a 5-hour trip was 62 miles per hour. So if you notice, this is the total trip. 5 hours at 62 miles per hour is the entire trip. So that should tell you that you need the 3 boxes. During the first 2 hours, he drove 80 miles per hour. What was his average speed for the last 3 hours of the trip? So they give you the entire amount of the trip, so therefore we do need the 3 boxes. First box, that was for the first part. This is for the second part, and this is going to be for the total. It's going to be rate in time, rate in time, rate in time. So let's go and fill out the total. What is the total trip? What is the rate? The total rate will be 62 miles per hour at 5 hours. During the first 2 hours, he was going pretty fast, 80 miles per hour. So the first 2 hours he was going 80 miles per hour. He was breaking the law. Now I know that the second part he drove for 3 hours. Do we know the speed? How fast he was going? No. We know that it has to be lower than 62, right? So it's not D. So let's go and work it out. That'll be 80. Because the average speed 80, this should be a little low, much lower than 62. Let's multiply it out. Gives me 160 plus 3x, and 62 times 5, just multiply. 62 times 5, that's 10. Carry 1, that'll be 31. 310. And from here to solve, it's a very quick process. Move the 160 to the right, becomes a negative 160. So it gives me 3x is equal to, let's see, 310 minus 160, that's 0. Borrow 1 from the 1, you can't, so borrow from, that's 11, that can be 5, 150. So that's 150. We divide by 3, so therefore x is equal to 50 miles per hour. That's how fast it was going during the last 3 hours. And that kind of makes sense.